SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Hi, I'm Matt from Solve Your Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete GarageBand from your iPhone 13. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now let's check out the steps. As you can see from this screen, GarageBand is one of the apps that uses the most space on your iPhone. Even if you aren't using it to create songs, you might be using more than a gigabyte of space just for this app. Fortunately, it's possible for you to delete it by following just a few steps. So let's exit out of here, and then we're going to go find the GarageBand app, which looks like this. It's got a guitar on its icon. And once you found that app, you just need to tap and hold on it. Then you can choose the Remove App option. Then tap Delete App. Then delete to confirm that you wish to delete the app and its data from your device.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.